Hello everyone, it's Pam from Glam Junk Journals, and today I'd like to do something a little bit different. This is going to be an unboxing video for a gift that I received from Your Creative Studio. And I don't know if you guys are familiar with Your Creative Studio, but what she does is every month she puts together a box, a subscription box, and you can either purchase 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months, and they're varying prices, although very affordable for sure. And I was over the moon excited when she asked me to do an unboxing video. I am always up for new bits of ephemera and things to use in my junk journals. Now, this was the subscription box for November, and I have not seen what is inside, so let's take a look. Let's get this guy open here. Oh, and look at how pretty it is packaged. She's got her little logo there, and right here it's all packaged so neatly. Let me fold this down so you can see what's going on. I do not know what's inside, and you know what? This is how a junk journaler thinks. I'm thinking, hey, this paper, I'm going to be using that in a junk journal. Never throw anything out. That's my motto. And when you start junk journaling, you start looking at things in a different way, like napkins and paper bags, you name it. So I'm going to be using that later. So let's go inside and check it out. I don't want to tear it. Do this very carefully so that I can use it in another journal somewhere. Hold on just a second. It's stuck really good. There we go. Okay, and look at this cute little card. This is an elk. If you guys are unfamiliar with elk, we have these right outside our window. I live up in the mountains in Colorado, and these guys, I gotta tell you, are majestic. They are so beautiful. I never get tired of looking at them. And it says, thank you so much for your purchase. I hope you enjoy our November collection. Signed, Your Creative Studio. Yee, I love this stuff. This is so much fun, you guys. And look at how pretty it's packaged. And with the holidays coming up, think of this, you guys. My daughter always asks me, well, Mom, what would you like for Christmas? Well, hello. This is the perfect answer for gift giving or gift getting. And I'm always game for, like I said earlier, new things to use in my journals. So look at this. Okay, so we've got some masking tape, and it says washi on it. So let's check this out. And you know what? This makes a perfect gift. Look at how pretty these things are. I'm going to fold this down because it keeps flipping up here. Look at how pretty this whole package is. I would love to get this for the holidays or birthdays or just because. So let's see on inside here. Oh, and look at this. It's got the elk on it. Oh man, this is beautiful. I have never seen a washi tape like this. Really, it is absolutely gorgeous. The deep, rich tones, beautiful. Vintage stickers. And look at how these are packaged. It is absolutely amazing. The amount of care that has been put into this subscription box is just amazing. And look at all these little guys. Oh, these are going to be so fun in journals. You ever have a page where you're kind of like, it needs something else, or oh, I think it just needs something in the corner, or I have a little pocket that could use something? Look at that. And they're all different, you guys. And they're just so beautiful. And let's pull this one out. So precise. Look at that. I mean, I don't fussy cut very well. So this is a godsend. just all of those cute little tags, little ephemera there. Put that off to the side too. Ooh, let's see. Man, so much stuff in here. Okay, cling stamp. Oh, and if you guys haven't checked out Your Creative Studio's website, I will put a link at the bottom. She has other things other than these subscription boxes. She has washi tapes. She's got all sorts of stickers and stamps and just tons of other things. So it's definitely a place you guys should check out. Oh, look at these cute little stamps. Oh my God, they're adorable. They're little elk. Little elk. And if you've ever seen an elk in real life, oh, and a baby, they're not little. They're huge. I have yet to find, these are gorgeous. I have yet to find some antlers. Every year, my husband and I go out and look for antlers. We haven't found any, but I think we got the inside scoop of where they drop them. So that's going to be fun. Let's see what this is. Note cards. I'm not going to open those up now, but look at all those note cards. And there's 4 different types. You can tell by the coloring there and the lines. That is fabulous. Oh, and what's this? Oh, another cling stamp. Let's check this guy out. You guys, this is like Christmas came early. Oh my gosh, look at this. It is, I think this is a deer. This is not an elk. And she's definitely a lady deer, which is a doe. And she's got hair and a little bow. Adorable, adorable. I think I'm gonna have to do a nature or a woodland junk journal coming up, because these would be fabulous in here. And everything in this box is color coordinated. So, I mean, just using all of this in one junk journal, you've got the makings for a fabulous junk journal just with this. A bookmark. Look at how cute. And that clips over the top of the page. Oh my goodness. Oh, and look at these. Oh, these are like rub-on stamps. So you can put these along the side of your page or on a tag. And they've got, I can tell they've got a ton of different images. It looks like there's 6 to this pack. Oh my goodness. And look at these. Oh, you guys, we had some fawn in our front yard this year, and they look just like that. This, I don't know. I'm in awe of the presentation and how things are put together here. It's just unbelievable. And look at all of these stamps. You guys, this is so fun. And you know what? Even the background here, this little, I don't know what you want to call this little paper that is used for the backing. You can use that in a junk journal too, right? Look at all those stamps. Oh, man. And sticky notes. Oh, love it. This looks like a moose. Now, we don't have moose in our area, and I have yet to see one in real life. I hope someday I do. But can you imagine a journal with all the earth tones and putting these, just maybe a couple in for the recipient to use for the sticky notes, or just as a decoration on a journal? Fabulous. Man, stuff just keeps on coming here. And all of this was inside this cute box. I'm telling you, this is the bomb. All right, let's see. Oh, looks like we got another stamp here. The packaging and just how you can tell how much care is put into each of these subscription boxes. Oh, and look at this. There's a big guy. Fabulous. I can't wait to use these. I cannot wait. Hopefully you guys can see that. That's another deer. And did you guys know, this is a little side note here, before I moved up to the mountains in Colorado, I did not know that elk and deer shed their antlers every year. Little side note there, I didn't know. And they regrow these huge racks every single year. Dang. Oh, look at these. These are little stickers. Oh, this is adorable. These are fabulous. And you can just pull them off right there. Oh, this is so fun. Ooh, and here's some more of those rub-on embellishments. I don't know if you want to call them embellishments or if you want to call them clear adhesive stamps. Beautiful with the ferns. And then on the bottom, look at this. We have patterned vellum. Oh my goodness. And look at the gorgeous coloring on that. Oh, and this guy, oh, beautiful, beautiful. Just looks like my yard. Don't mean to rub that in, but it's just, I don't have any words. It's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. The detail that she's gotten on these pages, and you can tell they all have a vintage feel on them because she's got a little bit of the stamping on the back. And this one here, if you look really close, I don't know if you can see it on camera, there are, you know, highlights and lowlights and texture in there. And then this one here, I can't tell in this lighting, but it looks like there's a pattern here. I think this might be of some roses. It's kind of hard to tell in this lighting, but it looks like there is some roses on there. So I gotta tell you, this is the bomb. So I will put a link to her studio at the bottom of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and think of your creative studio when you're gifting something to a fellow scrapbooker, a journaler, or even just to yourself. And I'm going to request these from my daughter. So have a good day. I hope you enjoyed this, and I am so going to enjoy putting these in my upcoming journals. So have a good one, everyone. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.